In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin emails in Outlook. This simple yet effective feature helps you keep important messages at the top of your inbox, ensuring you can always find them quickly when needed. Whether you're a busy professional managing multiple projects, a student juggling assignments, or simply someone who likes to stay organized, pinning emails can save you time and hassle. First, let's start by opening your Outlook inbox. Once you're there, the list of emails right before your eyes might already seem overwhelming. But worry not, we'll make sure to bring order to the chaos. Browse through your emails to find a particular message you wish to keep at the forefront of your inbox. This could be an urgent email from your manager, an invitation to an important meeting, or even a project proposal you need to review. Once you've identified the email you wish to pin, direct your attention to the top right of that email. You'll notice a small pin icon hovering above the message. Clicking on this icon is the straightforward way to pin your email. You'll immediately see a change. The email moves to the top, neatly pinned, and this ensures it stays there, easily accessible no matter how many new messages flood into your inbox. Now, if you prefer another method, there's an alternative route you can take. Position your cursor over the selected email and right-click on it. Doing so will present you with a context menu full of options. Among these, you'll find the pin option. Simply click it, and voila! The email pins itself right to the top of your inbox just as easily as with the icon. These two methods offer flexibility, enabling you to choose whichever feels more intuitive or convenient at any given moment. This feature aids significantly in focusing on priorities, allowing you to readily access what's most important without sifting through the ocean of less urgent emails. With your newly pinned email prominently displayed at the top of your inbox, consider adding this regular practice to your productivity routine. As new emails arrive and vie for your attention, regularly pinning significant messages will help maintain your focus on what truly matters. If an email loses its urgency or relevance over time, you can easily unpin it by following the same steps and clicking the pin icon again, or selecting the unpin option from the context menu. And that's it. You now have the know-how to efficiently pin emails in Outlook. By incorporating this quick and easy feature into your daily email management, you not only streamline your workflow, but also ensure that critical communications never slip through the cracks. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe for more practical tips and tricks. Happy organizing!